In the heart of Villisca, Iowa, a sinister shadow lingers over the notorious axe murder house. The chilling tale traces back to a fateful night in 1912 when a quiet community was shattered by a gruesome and unsolved crime. The air thickens with an eerie ambiance as you step into the house, now frozen in the haunting memories of that dreadful night. For a hefty price of $428 a night, brave souls choose to spend the night within its walls. The creaking floorboards seem to echo the anguished cries of the 6 children and 2 adults who fell victim to the merciless acts of an unknown assailant. Restored to its 1912 condition, the house stands as a macabre time capsule, preserving the horror that unfolded within. As the clock strikes midnight, visitors often recount unsettling encounters. Whispers of a spectral figure, wielding an axe, roam the darkened halls. Some claim to have glimpsed the ghostly apparition, a silent phantom that elicits terror with every ethereal step. The air becomes charged with a palpable sense of dread, as if the malevolent energy of that long-ago night still permeates the very fabric of the house. The silence is periodically shattered by the phantom echoes of children's screams. A haunting reminder of the innocent lives violently extinguished. Those who dare to spend the night find themselves entangled in a surreal dance with the supernatural. As the line between the living and the dead blurs within those blood-stained walls. Desperate attempts to unravel the mystery often lead to dead ends, leaving the question of the perpetrator unanswered. The spirits seem to guard their secrets, leaving behind an unsettling atmosphere that wraps around visitors like a suffocating shroud. As the night unfolds, time becomes distorted within the axe murder house, and reality itself seems to fray at the edges. Guests grapple with the uncanny, facing their deepest fears and confronting the lingering anguish that permeates the very essence of this spectral dwelling. In the cold grip of darkness, the Villisca axe murder house remains a chilling testament to a bygone horror, drawing those who seek to unlock its paranormal secrets. Dare you spend a night within its malevolent embrace, where the echoes of the past linger and the line between the living and the dead blurs into a tapestry of eternal dread.